How to get Apple TV Screensaver on macOS Big Sur. Arial for Mac. Desktop Wallpaper, change Big Sur theme. First of all, warm welcome to all of you who came on my channel. I will download the Apple TV's Arial Screensaver. Then we will set the Screensaver, my macOS Big Sur. Now open Safari web browser. Type google.com. Then press enter. Now type in Google search. Download Arial Screensaver for Mac. The first link to the show which is happening John Coates Apple TV Screensaver GitHub will click on it. Scroll down page. Scroll down page. Download the Arial installer.dmg file. Click on From Here link. Scroll down page. Click arialcompanion.dmg. File is downloading. After downloading, go to Finder. Click on Downloads. Right-click on arialcompanion.dmg. Select Open with and click Disk Image Mounter. Drag Companion into Applications. Right-click on Arial Companion and select Open. Click Open. Go to menu bar, click Arial Companion logo. Click Install now. After installing, close Application Console. Go to System Preferences. Click on Desktop and Screensaver. Click Screensaver. Click on Preview. Our Screensaver is set and the preview is also coming up very well. The timing of the by default Screensaver is 20 minutes, changing it to 1 minute. Close console. So I am waiting for 1 minute to be completed so that I can check whether Screensaver proper is set. My Screensaver is working right. So we just learned to set the Screensaver, Now we will learn to set the desktop wallpaper. Go to System Preferences. Click Desktop and Screensaver. Click Desktop. This is our desktop background. This is the default desktop picture. The picture we select will be set on our desktop. We have multiple pictures, we can select any one and place it on the desktop. Go back to System Preferences. Now we learned how to select desktop and screensaver. Now how will we change the theme in macOS? Right now our theme is light. As I choose a dark theme, my theme will change. Did you see that our macOS theme has changed? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.